So, you want to know what it feels like to run your own Disneyland? Well, running your Google Ads account is like owning your own theme park. You can manage everything on the dashboard and make sure your business is not losing money, but making money. Let's first do a little review of the dashboard and then we will get into some roleplay fun, okay? Here's the Google Ads dashboard. On the far left is where the campaigns that you have created will be housed. You can see there are 3 campaigns currently running, and we know they are running because there is a green dot on each of them. When you click on one of them, it will show you a list of ad groups housed in that campaign. A little to the right is a column of options that allows you to view the data and make changes at the campaign level. Like if you clicked on ad groups, it will show you a list of ad groups in this campaign. There is a green dot showing that each of the ad groups are currently running. If you want to view the data or make changes at the ad group level, you can click on the specific ad group and it will show you information just for that ad group. Let's say you want to dive deeper and see specifically which ad is doing well or not. An easy way to do that is to look at everything at the campaign level. So click on the campaign you are interested in and click ads. And you can see the 3 ads that are currently running. And that's it. You know what? Let's do a quick review of our tour and put our theme park management skills to the test. So let's back out of everything by clicking on all campaigns on the top left-hand corner of the screen and click on Overview. Are you ready to do some roleplay? Let's pretend you are the owner of Disneyland. Here is a fun and purely hypothetical example. This is how well your entire Disneyland is currently doing as a whole. You can see you have paid $23.71 and have gotten 353 views and 1 conversion. If you were unhappy with these numbers, we can do some management. So while looking at your campaigns, you realize that the second campaign was the problem maker. It cost you $23.18 and you only got 3 clicks. Fantasyland is operating at a loss. So let's dig deeper. When you click on ad groups, it will show you how well each of the ad groups are doing. How well are the dining areas doing? Let's say this ad group is costing us money without a good ROI. So let's dig deeper. And we click on it. Oh, indeed! 313 people have viewed this ad. It cost us $17.95 and not even 1 person converted. That means 313 people have walked into this restaurant and walked out without buying anything. We are paying the electricity bill for nothing. Let's temporarily shut this place down for now. And we do that by hovering over the green dot, click on it, and select pause. And now this location is temporarily shut down. This ad is temporarily paused from eating our budget. Simple, right? Now let's say the It's a Small World After All boat ride opened up and all the people in Fantasyland started lining up to ride that attraction. So no one is going to any of the restaurants. That means the electricity for the entire dining area in Fantasyland is being wasted. So in this situation, we will shut down the entire dining area. Shut down the ad group in this campaign. We do that by clicking on this campaign and clicking on ad groups. And we will pause the ad group that's losing us money. Simple, right? But oh no! There was an accident on the It's a Small World After All ride, and a visitor just couldn't take the annoying song and dance anymore and jumped out of the boat and started yelling at the dolls to shut up. Well, that's not good for publicity, is it? And as a result, everyone started leaving Fantasyland to go to a different section of the park. That means our electricity cost for the entire Fantasyland section of the park is being wasted. If the ad campaign is losing you money, in this situation, we will pause the entire campaign. And we do that by clicking on the campaign and going up to the green dot on the top of the page and click pause. There. We just completed our damage control and now can focus on the parts of the park that are doing well. This, of course, was just an entertaining hypothetical example to help get you more familiar with moving around the Google Ads dashboard. I haven't even talked about how to look at the specific targeting of each ad and edit things like keywords, placements, and topics, which one to pause and which one to add more money into because it is doing well. I will take you through this process and explain things in more details in future episodes. This was just a basic tour around the dashboard, and speaking of which, our Disneyland tour and our management responsibilities are unfortunately over. Please step out of your train and make sure that you have not left any of your personal belongings on the train. I hope you enjoy yourself today. Oh, by the way, when you build your own Disneyland, make sure to give me free tickets, okay? And also, please upgrade my tickets to include Fast Pass VIP access because I hate waiting in lines.